Welcome back to Technify, your trusted hub for everything cutting-edge in drone technology. Today, we're diving into the highly awaited DJI Mini 5 Pro, the next evolution in DJI's compact drone series. With enhancements like a larger sensor, better battery performance, and smarter obstacle detection, this lightweight drone could raise the bar for ultralight aerial photography. Is this the breakthrough drone pilots have been waiting for in 2025? Stick around to find out. And if you're new here, be sure to tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest from the world of tech. The DJI Mini 5 Pro sticks with DJI's tradition of portability and smart engineering. It keeps things featherlight, still under the crucial 249-gram threshold, which means fewer flying restrictions in many countries. Despite its minimal weight, the drone feels more robust thanks to upgraded materials and slightly enhanced aerodynamics. The body now includes better airflow systems for heat dissipation and reposition sensors for improved 360-degree environmental awareness. It's also more travel-ready with a redesigned compact case for easier packing. DJI continues to focus on a user-first design without compromising performance. At the heart of the Mini 5 Pro is a new 1-inch CMOS sensor that offers stunning clarity, even in tricky lighting conditions. It can shoot crisp 4K footage at 60 frames per second and supports 10-bit color profiles for richer post-editing flexibility. Whether you're into photos or video, the dynamic range and sharpness have seen a solid bump. Mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, the camera delivers super stable footage. DJI has also fine-tuned HDR and panoramic modes, making it easier to capture stunning shots in both automatic and manual modes. DJI has leveled up flight performance with more responsive controls and greater wind resistance. The Mini 5 Pro can now handle stronger breezes while maintaining buttery-smooth footage. Enhanced GPS locking and upgraded downward sensors give it pinpoint stability, even when hovering or transitioning between positions. Flying through tight urban areas or wide-open landscapes feels fluid and confident. Obstacle detection is now smarter and broader, thanks to the new wide-angle sensors that keep a watchful eye in every direction. This drone is smarter than ever. It's loaded with upgraded intelligent flight modes like Focus Track, Active Track 5.0, and Point of Interest. Tracking accuracy has been improved, and the AI now recognizes people, animals, and vehicles more intuitively. The cinematic quick shots and master shots are easier to pull off and more reliable than before, even in complicated environments. DJI has also enhanced hyperlapse features, so time-lapse videos transition more smoothly. All in all, the intelligent flight capabilities feel more professional and polished. The new battery options in the Mini 5 Pro provide noticeably longer flight sessions. Under optimal conditions, flight time can stretch well beyond what older models offered. DJI has also improved the charging hub, which now supports USB-C fast charging and can sequentially recharge multiple batteries. Battery swaps mid-session are quicker, and the on-screen indicators now show estimated remaining flight time, reducing mid-air guesswork. These thoughtful touches make for a smoother flying experience, especially for content creators on the move. The Mini 5 Pro pairs with either the DJI RC or RCN2 controller. Both use OcuSync 4.0 technology to ensure high-resolution, ultra-stable video transmission across long distances. The new controller with a built-in screen is a real bonus. No need to connect a smartphone, making takeoffs faster and more convenient. The redesigned antenna setup handles signal interference better, especially in urban areas. Buttons are well-placed and customizable, and the latency is so low it feels almost instant. The overall experience is responsive, seamless, and enjoyable. DJI Fly remains the central app for control and customization, and it just keeps getting better. It now offers faster access to key settings, improved layout customization, and helpful in-flight tips. Beginners will appreciate the tutorials and automated pre-flight checklists, while experienced pilots will enjoy the expanded manual control options. Geofencing, safe zone alerts, and real-time firmware updates help ensure safe and up-to-date flights. Plus, integrated editing and live streaming tools make it easy to share your content right away. From casual travel vlogs to more demanding professional work, the Mini 5 Pro fits a wide range of shooting needs. Its ultra-portable design means you can take it almost anywhere, perfect for outdoor adventurers, real estate professionals, and indie filmmakers alike. It's lightweight enough to fly in more places without a license, which boosts its appeal for beginners and hobbyists. With its excellent camera, intelligent features, and portability, it truly is a do-it-all drone in a compact body. One of the standout upgrades is its impressive low-light capabilities. Thanks to the larger sensor and refined image processing, nighttime footage looks cleaner and more vibrant. Night mode does a solid job preserving shadows and highlights, with reduced noise even in dim settings. Whether you're capturing a glowing skyline or shooting during twilight hikes, the Mini 5 Pro's camera holds its own, delivering cinematic footage when the sun goes down. Weighing in under 249 grams, the Mini 5 Pro packs a punch far beyond what its size suggests. It's easy to carry, quick to deploy, and powerful enough for serious content creation. Despite its featherweight build, it includes top-tier features like 4K 60 recording, full obstacle avoidance, and professional-grade tracking modes. It's perfect for creators who prioritize mobility without giving up performance. DJI has once again proven that big results can come in small packages. That wraps up our hands-on look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro here on Technify. This drone is a true showcase of what's possible in an ultralight format, combining professional image quality, advanced features, and unbeatable portability. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or someone looking to take their creativity to new heights, the Mini 5 Pro is a compact powerhouse you can rely on. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Technify so you never miss our next tech adventure. See you in the next one.